Hello and welcome to the automated membership machine. In this specific video, I just want to share with you how this video course is beneficial to you and what it's all about. This video training course was created to help you learn how to basically set up a fixed term membership site and have it sell and deliver all your content on 100% autopilot. And I'm going to explain in just a minute how fixed term membership sites differ from the traditional membership sites. Now, if you're worried about all the technical stuff and all the technical scripts that people use to set up a membership site, then don't worry, because this video course was actually created for you and for others who are wanting to know how to set up some sort of membership site to deliver content without having to worry about, okay, what kind of membership script should I use? What kind of software should I use? How do I set it all up? This and that. And because a lot of people can get stuck in that mode. So this course is to help you get your content, gather it, and just start implementing it and set it up right away. So let's talk about traditional membership sites. Traditional membership sites are very ongoing, which means that somebody enters a membership site, they come in, they get a product, and then the site owner, you have to add product each and every month, and so on and so on and so on. And there's nothing wrong with them. You can make a lot of money with traditional membership sites. And in fact, there's a lot of stuff you can do with traditional membership sites that you may not be able to do as much with a fixed term or other types of membership sites like that. But the key point here is to help you set up a fixed term membership site. Now, fixed term membership sites, they also have their advantages and disadvantages, just as just about anything has advantages and disadvantages. But with the fixed term membership sites, they basically allow you to run a membership site on autopilot, literally. And it takes less time to set up. It takes less time to run. So you can focus more on marketing it, getting people to your site, and this, that, and the other. So let me talk about the videos themselves. Video number 1 is the introduction and the tools that you need. We're going to talk about basically an overview of you getting into the right mindset before we start the video course. And we talk about the tools that you're going to need, and of course a quick overview of the video series as a whole. And video number 2 is all about planning, brainstorming, and preparation. It's important to plan and brainstorm what your fixed term membership site is going to be about before you actually implement it. From that point, we move on to video number 3, or step number 3, where we gather all of your content and begin to organize them. There's a specific system and method that we're going to be using that will help you organize your content so that it's easy for you to set yourself up for success so that you can begin to implement the other steps fairly easily and quickly. And video number 4, we're going to talk about how to create a high stick rate and customer value. A lot of times we create membership sites and we forget about the customer. I mean, we focus so much on the content themselves that you almost forget about who is buying your content. So the key here is to understand, why customers leave and understand how to help them stay, how to create that environment for them that they will love your site, they will love you, and they will feel accomplished. And that's what we want as site owners, is to help our customers. Video number 5, we're going to talk about how to create thank you download pages. So, you've gathered your content and now it's time to create a thank you download page that will allow people to sign up on the autoresponder, and then they'll get the delivered content however you set up the autoresponder. Video number 6, we're going to talk about how to create a PayPal subscription button on your sales page and connect it to your thank you page. Video number 7, we're going to talk about how to upload pages and get URLs. And what I mean by this is, let's say you have 12 pieces of content or even more than that, and you've uploaded your content. And then in this video, we talk about how to get the URLs so that you can deliver that content in your future emails. Video number 8, we're going to talk about how to deliver your content. So now that you've gotten the URLs, it's time to deliver the content through Aweber, GetResponse, or anything else like that. And video number 9, we're going to talk about testing. It's vital to test everything out, but what do you have to test? And I'll show you what exactly you need to test to make sure that everything is working properly before you actually go live. And of course, last but not least, video number 10 is a support center. Often we create membership sites forgetting that we need to support them. So you got customers that come into your fixed term membership site. They get all of their questions answered by you fairly quickly. So literally what we're producing is a complete on autopilot, and you can really do this. So with that said, go ahead and read the sales letter down below. You can get more information there, and grab the video course and start your fixed term membership site and start running your own automated membership cash machine.